Hi, welcome to Katerina Finds. Let's review this self-adhesive lashes I got. With those lashes, there is no drying time, instant application and easy removal, invisible clear band. Very easy instruction, beautiful set. Let's try it on. So it comes with very nice tweezer to just press on the lashes to let them glue without glue. I like that lashes comes in a different length. So usually I'm using the shorter ones, but look how pretty they are. Let me open it. It comes in a very nice box. Such a pretty ones. Let's try it on. I'll go for the shortest one. And I'm always doing them just like for the cat eye look on the corners. I have a mirror here. So it's very sticky on this part. So just grab it underneath. Okay. Make sure your tweezers are not sticky. Those invisible band lash clusters are made of high-quality imported materials, very thin, soft, lightweight, natural, and comfortable to wear all day. They come in portable case, 120 pieces of cluster, single layer, ultra-light eyelashes, size of 10 to 14 millimeters. Here we go for another one. Make sure your tweezers are not sticky. With proper care, each set can be worn 3 to 6 times. I decided to use 2 pieces on each eyelid. They designed to fill up your eyes, offering a supernatural appearance that closely resembles real eyelashes. Such a fuller lashes on this side. I love them. They look so natural. They're not super thick. They're not those plastic fake look, which I do not like. I have good lashes on my own. I love my mascara, but sometimes you want that little bit fuller look without looking fake. So this design is great. Let's do it on this side. I wore them whole day. I have very sensitive eyes, and wearing contacts, my eyes are highly sensitive to glue fumes, but these eyelashes didn't cause any irritation. You can see it's way fuller here compared to the front. Super easy application, no glue was used. They added fullness to my lashes. I use the same length as my own lashes, so it's not as huge dramatic. I do recommend them.